everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for you. If you've been looking for an affordable way to grow your business, build email lists, or automate your marketing campaigns, then you'll love this. I'm sharing exclusive Getresponse coupon codes for 2025, including a massive 40% off lifetime discount on their plans. So make sure you watch till the end to grab these codes. For those new here, Getresponse is one of the most powerful email marketing and automation platforms out there. It's trusted by entrepreneurs, small businesses, and even big brands. With features like email campaigns, landing pages, sales funnels, and even AI-powered automation, it's literally a one-stop shop for online growth. But here's the good part. You don't have to pay full price. I've got you covered with some discount codes. Get40SAVE. Use this for a straight 40% off lifetime discount on any plan. GetResp 25, extra 25% off your first year subscription. Email 30 off. Save 30% on Plus and Professional plans. Funnel 20. Get 20% off when signing up for the Marketing Automation Suite. Try 10Get, grab an additional 10% off on top of seasonal deals. Now, here's how you can maximize your savings. Head to the official Getresponse website. Always the safest place to apply these discounts. Look out for special seasonal promotions like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or New Year campaigns. If one code doesn't work, no worries. Try another. Getresponse often rotates their coupons. Combine discounts with free trials to test the platform before committing. And here's the best part. Using these discounts isn't just a one-time saving. With the lifetime discount option, you lock in a cheaper price for as long as you keep your plan. That means year after year, you'll be saving big while running your business smoothly. So before you go and subscribe to Getresponse, make sure you use one of these promo codes. Why pay more when you can keep 40% of your money in your pocket? All right, guys, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.